This video message is going out to the ENT 101 100 students, entrepreneurship class. And this message is very specific to the 90-second video pitch. Now, let me just say, if there are students in the Introduction to Business class and the entrepreneurship class, then you should not use the same pitch. You should not use the same pitch. You can create a second one, but it should not be the same pitch. It could be about the same product and or service, but it should not be the same pitch. Your effort there should go in taking your pitch in a different direction or answering the questions differently or more completely. It doesn't matter. I do not want you to just copy and paste the same pitch to the assignment box, okay? Now, let me go on and be very clear with the assignment. Last night, on Tuesday, I sent you all an email saying that the 90-second pitch would be due Wednesday night. Now, as of this video message, half of you have submitted a 90-second pitch. And another half of you, I'm thinking, are waiting until later tonight to submit. But after midnight tonight, the submissions for the 90-second pitch, initial submissions, end. This process is evolving. There are different phases to it, and we would be holding ourselves back in class if we're allowing initial pitches to take place later into this week. Plus, this assignment has been out for a week now. So to be very clear, your initial submission is due by midnight tonight, following the template that is posted in the home pages, is posted on the in the class, the weekly class pages, and I've sent it to you in the email. So all of you should have that link that takes you to the structure, the template for the 90-second pitch. Now, if you have already submitted the pitch, then you can check this box off as already submitted and be prepared to go to the next phase, which is on Thursday, tomorrow. Each of you will post your submission to the discussion board, but it will be for another team. So for instance, let me just go there real quickly and explain how this would work. If you're on the discussion board, and let's say okay, I see we have, that's interesting. We have one team set up, which is the alpha team, and I'm not sure of where anyone else would be. But let me just say this. If you are not on the alpha team, as of this video message, then you're on the beta team. That's the only way you can participate. I'm just looking at this right now, thinking we have one team structured right now, the alpha team, and we need to have a beta team. So if you are not on the alpha team, then by default, you are now on the beta team. So here's what those members who are on the alpha team will do. And let me just look in here and see who's here. Sahil, you're on the alpha team, it looks like. What you would do is you would post your submission to the beta team. For all of those who are by default on the beta team, as of this video message, you will post your entry to the alpha team. Okay, and this is going to happen on Thursday. So when we have class on Thursday, I will go over this to make sure that your initial submission is posted to another classmate. Okay, this is happening on Thursday. Now, at the end of Thursday, you will have two submissions. You will have your individual submission, which you will have posted to the assignment page, and then you will have a teammate's submission. The next phase in this pitch process is assessment. So by Saturday, the assignment that will be due is you will assess your individual pitch using the rubric, using the 5 points outlined in the 90-second pitch. So for instance, Sahil, you would say, introduction. Did I have an interesting fact for my introduction? If I did, yes, you will just write what it is on an email and then move to the second point. Did I identify the problem? No, I did not identify the problem. State that. Go to the next point, solution. Did I introduce myself and talk about the solution? Now, notice that on the assessment, you will score points on the assessment if you accurately assess yourself. So please do not mislead or try to state that you covered those points when you actually did not. That's how you lose points. So it's okay to accurately assess your pitch because another student is going to be doing the same to your pitch. So just to be clear now, the scoring for the assessment is if you accurately assess those 5 points, write the point down. Did I assess? State what it is. Go down through the 5 points. After you complete your assessment, you're going to type the name of another student and go down there and assess his or her presentation accurately. And then by Saturday, you're going to post both of those assessments into the Dropbox. There's a title that says individual assignment, assessment, self-assessment, and teammate assessment, due week 5, 50 points. So it's going to be 25 points for your personal assessment, 25 points for assessing another student. Okay? Now, since we have some issues with the other beta team, I'll go over part of that tomorrow. But by the end of tomorrow's class, which is very important, you should be able to say you have your assignment posted, you have another student's assignment, and I'll go over if you have a question about how the assessment will go for Saturday. Okay, so I'll send you an email asking you to listen to this post carefully, and I look forward to seeing you in class tomorrow, Thursday.